kiddos, how y'all doing? I wanted to pop on here and talk to y'all about Yaaas Queen. Ooh. Alright, so what's the purpose of Yaaas Queen besides just making you sparkly? I love this stuff. One, it is amazing. Y'all are choosing the label right now. There's a choice between 3 labels. And I love that y'all are playing my reindeer games. And looking at them, me personally, I'm loving the white label. But y'all are really kind of going for this black label with the doodly diamonds. And this one was my first go. Fluidy, glittery thing. But, one, about Yaaas Queen, there's so much mica and colorant in there, all natural, that it settles. So you see this one, it's like oil on top and then all this beautifulness on the bottom. So I put, you know, like in nail polish, you put there's just little balls that mix everything up. So I put some of those in here. You can hear them. Okay. So that helps get all the stuff in the bottom and make it gorgeous. Let's see if I can learn how to zoom again, or, you know, focus. So it mixes it all up for you. And I'm not a focus. It mixes it all up for you, and I love it. So, because I don't want to put emulsifiers in here, I want to keep it as simple as possible. Because the more weird stuff you put into things, the more likely you are to break out, have reactions, just have extra stuff in your skin you don't need. Your skin needs to breathe. So the reason, more than just being sparkly and like a goddess all day whenever you're wearing Yaaas Queen, is it's super moisturizing. The amount of oils, the type of oils that are in here, it's a, what you call a dryer oil. So you put it on and you don't feel greasy all day. It goes right into your skin, moisturizes, does its job, and goes away, and then leaves that beautiful, silky, healthy look on your skin, along with all the sparkly. I want to be sparkly. Now, it's not crazy sparkly. We're not talking like you look like you just dunked yourself in glitter and you're just going out to the grocery store looking like a crazy person. No, this is a ladylike, beautiful amount of sparkly. I personally use it whenever I'm going out and about with the hubby. And I put it on my legs because it makes them look super healthy and super shiny and awesome. If I haven't gotten color on, like, you know, I haven't gotten a good tan yet, or I'm super white, and it gives me like that look, like that healthy, like sun-kissed look with the sparkles and the smell, and ooh, you just look healthy and goddess. Also, I like to wear it out if I'm going swimming or going to the beach. Now, most of y'all are in Texas, and y'all know how the Gulf Coast is, how Galveston water is. So, think about this. This is how good this stuff was for me. I went to Galveston, got in the water, fully Yaaas Queened out, looking fabulous. Got in the water, that crazy water that you can't see through, and you're worried about things being in there, and you don't really know why it's so murky. Well, I got back out of the water, still Yaaas Queen. Still amazing. Sparkly, nothing had moved. And like, it held up to those Galveston waters. Well, that just says something to me. It's all for sale on my website. But of course, if y'all don't want to go there and y'all just want to tell me, hey girl, I want some Yaaas Queen, just make it happen. Just comment below. It smells amazing. It's a little bit different. We used to have like a rum mango smell, and now it's more of a, it's a very clean but sultry, coconutty smell. Not like suntan lotion. Don't get it twisted. It smells amazing. I am in love with this. I'm glad that I made the changeover. I got it on a whim, and I'm very happy with it. I'm happy with the color that even went in there. It's got a natural bronzer in there. And I'm going to do some on here so y'all can kind of see what it looks like. So of course you shake it up, pop top. See here if I can see that. See that? Let's see if I can. Ooh. So it looks kind of crazy. It looks like there's a lot of glitter. There is, but watch whenever I put it on my arm, right? Let's focus, Heather. Watch when I put it on my arm. I'm rubbing on my hands, disperse it. Now it's hard for me to capture this on video. I've been trying all morning to try and find, I put it on my arms, my neck, everything, get it all. But you can kind of see it. Oh, there you go. There you go. You can kind of see it on here. I'm having a hard time capturing it. If any girls buy it and y'all can capture the glitzy glow and make it look fabulous, send it to me. I'll put you on the website. I'll spread it around. It'd be great. You'll be like a little model for me. I would really appreciate it. I'm working with like a phone camera. There's only so much I can do. I'm not a photographer or a videographer, obviously. So if you have any questions, concerns, or anything, let me know. Just drop me a line. You can do it on Messenger or in the comments. Also, be sure and check out my YouTube channel. It's a lot of the videos you've already seen before, but I just like when y'all subscribe. It makes me like I'm doing something I'm supposed to. I need to feel that. I gotta subscribe and like. It makes me happy. Yeah, check out the website because there's other new stuff on there, like Zippy Gun's back on there, the spot treatment stick, some soaps that I haven't even mentioned on here are on there. But I'll be getting to that all this week too, later on this week. It's already Wednesday, so probably tomorrow or Friday. If y'all have any questions, concerns, whatevers, hit me up. Hope you have a great day. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.